So to trade larger capital, what you need to do, you would think of it kind of like, if you remember what it was like when you would go into a swimming pool, right? Like if you're the kind of person that dips their toe in, tests the water, then kind of like eases the way in, that's how you want to start trading with larger and larger capital. You want to feel it out and test, see how it feels, and then start to wade in deeper. You don't want to be the person that's just like rips their clothes off, but has a bathing suit and just cannonballs into the deep end of the pool. That is not how you want to start trading larger, right? Like because when you are trading with a large amount of capital, what can happen is you might freak out. You might start to see the big numbers. When you place a trade, you might, in the back of your head, you might start thinking about the ramifications of what happens if this trade is wrong, right? So you want to get comfortable with the amount that you're trading. Now, another thing that you could do, and I'm a big advocate of this as well, is to think about your trades, your position sizing, all that in terms of percentages rather than actual dollar amounts, right? Because if you are trading $100, right, and you're risking 1% of your capital, or if you're trading $1 million and you're risking 1% of your capital, it's still 1%. Right? If you're thinking of your trades in terms of R multiples, where if you risk $1 and you're aiming to make $3, then it's the same thing whether you're trading for $1 or you're trading for $1 million. You're still looking at R multiples, right? So that's another thing that you could do to where, like, as you scale up, you're not dealing with, oh, like I was only trading $100 before and now I'm bumping it up to 1,000 and oh man, like that, feeling that kind of weight, like that's going to screw with the mind of a lot of traders out there, right? Like if you're keeping the units of measure consistent, whether you're trading $100, $1,000, $10,000, then the only thing that you're looking at the R multiples, you're looking at the percentages, and as you're wading in deeper with the actual capital that's going to be put into those things, then you can start to feel how you react and journal all those emotions too, right? So that way you can start to see in real time and later on when you go to review it, how the different capital increases affects your mindset, and it'll put you in a position to be able to adjust and to go in gradually and not get that sudden shock of diving into the deep end of the pool.